HH's Southern Cooking. Today I'm going to do a Hawaiian barbecue chicken. Now I'm not crazy over skin on chicken, so I usually take my skin off of my chicken. But I've already washed my chicken and I've took all the skin off of it. Now I'm using a it's a little roaster, a six quart roaster. If you all haven't never used these little roastings, I love them. They're a very handy thing. They're sort of like, you know, the big turkey roasters, except they're smaller to put smaller quantities in. But I'm using mostly chicken thighs and chicken legs and a little bit of breast meat. Now I'm going to pepper that. I hope everybody's staying safe out there. We're going through a rough time right now. And I hope everybody's been very careful and everything, and just trust in the Lord, and that's all we can do right now. Okay, I'm diced up some onion. Going to put some onion in it. You don't have to over-pair it with onion, but it's good with some in it. Now I'm using pineapple. I'm just using the tidbit pineapple. You can use any kind. A little of the juice ain't gonna hurt if you get it in it, and just sprinkle it in it. I'm gonna put in right at probably about a third of a can of pineapple. Now, we all got our favorite barbecue sauces. One of mine is Sweet Baby Ray's. But just squirt it in it. It'll take pretty much the whole bottle of barbecue sauce. I had probably right at 10 pieces of chicken. If you like the skin, I mean, you know, it's fine to leave it on it, but I'm just not one that likes the chicken skin much. Okay, now I'm going to put this in my roaster. And I'm going to set it on 300. And it'll take it right around about 45 minutes to get done. And we'll be right back when it gets done, show you what it looks like. Welcome back, everybody. Our Hawaiian barbecue chicken is ready. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Get some pineapple here. That's what it looks like. I hope you all like and enjoy, and remember to subscribe, and thank you all, and God bless.